And this is the actual starter already, the old one already removed. I already plug in the other one. You gotta remove it from here. You just gotta tap it from here that way, because this one just it slides in from the other side. This way it slides like that. You just gotta make sure that the actual teeth align. And one of the things that I did notice once I removed it, and I kind of had a feeling that there was something going wrong with this, because this is to start it electrically, meaning with your push button or your control. I really don't use my control. This one, you can hear it, it has a wiggle, and this one is moving like crazy. This one does move, but not a lot. Look at it, even though that it sounds, it's not the same as this one. It's like a big jiggle. Hear it? So, and then the teeth, a little bit messed up. Not a lot, but it definitely lost power over the time. So that's that. You probably would think in the video, well, it kind of sounds the same. It's not. This one like jiggles like crazy, and I can feel the engine and the inside, like it just moves everywhere. So the sound might sound the same on the video, but it doesn't have that. So that's the new one. So again, hopefully that helps you fix your generator. These things are expensive, new ones, a little bit above $1,000. Sometimes it's $800, $900, so they're expensive. I run I run two vacuums, no problem. Yeah, they're pretty loud and stuff, but you know, when you're outdoors, they, you know, in reality, you cannot even hear them. I run two vacuums, my air compressor, no problem. They're strong as can be. Big tank of gas. So hopefully that helps. Take care, guys. And I will say this has been with me for like 10 years. Maybe not, like 8 years, 6 years, somewhere around that, but definitely more than 5. And barely just give me this problem. So hopefully that helps. Thank you, guys.